everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a quick and easy nail tutorial. So I'm going to create nail set using Modelones X Pantone collection. So the nail shade I'm going to use is this one, vibrant orange, directory blue, and tanager turquoise. So I'm gonna use fake nails for this one, and what I'm gonna do first thing is that you need to apply the orange color on your nail and just cure it. For this one you can actually use the nail lamp that comes within a kit, and I will share detailed review in the previous video, so I will try to link in the description box or in the I section so that you can check it out. One thing is that this color are actually great, and this nail tutorial is actually pretty easy to follow because I decided to actually create for beginners. Like, even if you don't have any experience in nail art or creating nail sets, this one is really easy to follow, as I haven't included any kind of high nail art techniques like drawing freehand flowers or that stuff, but it's just small nail art tutorial. So I'm just gonna paint 5 nails with orange color for just to set the base. And one thing, they give you full coverage in just one coat, so don't worry about having a second coat. One coat should be enough for you. So next thing is to get some stickers. So this sticker sheet is from Modelones pink gel polish lipstick series, if I'm not wrong, and I'm using the tweezers that came in with the Modelones X Pantone collection. Here you have options, like if you don't have the stickers, you can use actually golden gel polish and you can create circle or any design that you want, but I decided to use the stickers as I wasn't using them, so I decided why not to use them. So I'm just gonna put the circle just around the middle of the nail in the bottom, and then I'm just gonna use this nail chain kind of sticker, and I'm just gonna peel it off from the sticker sheet. I'm just gonna apply it on the nail. As they are sticker, you don't need to dip them in the water, or you don't need to apply any kind of glue because they gonna stick on their own. So I'm just gonna try to apply them at the center, just at the center of the nails, and gonna along to the tip, and the exact gonna cut. I'm gonna cut it. The same thing gonna be done with all the nails, like for the thumbnail, for the index finger and the pinky. So I'm not gonna apply it on the middle finger or on the ring finger because I'm gonna create design over there. So once I apply this chain nail sticker, I'm just gonna cut them in half, which means that they're gonna half of the half again, and I'm gonna use a different pattern. Like for this one, I'm using this kind of dots and circles, you can say, sticker. It's again from the same shade that I used previously, and I'm just gonna stick them together. I'm just gonna repeat the same process on the other two nails, like on the thumb one and on the index finger, and this is how does this look like. And once done, I'm just gonna apply the top coat and just gonna cure it. Next step is the nail design for the middle and for the ring finger. So they're gonna have the same design, but just the difference is gonna be the side. So I'm just gonna use the directory blue nail shade. I'm just gonna do a straight line, and here I'm using the striping brush number 3 that I ordered from AliExpress. There is already a video of AliExpress haul that I did like months ago, so if you want to get the link, it's gonna be in that video, and if I will find it, I will try to link in description box. So it is really basic nails art. So you're just gonna create 2 straight lines, 2 crossed straight lines with the directory blue, and you're gonna cure them just for 60 seconds should be enough. And they need to be thin because the thick lines not gonna look that much good. Then I'm gonna use the tanager turquoise here, and I'm just gonna create another straight line along the blue one, but this one is just gonna be slightly different, like the horizontal one gonna be on the upper side instead of the downside, and I'm just gonna do the same pattern on the other nail as well. So I'm just gonna do the same pattern on both nails, because once you're gonna connect them together, it's just gonna make them look like they are continuing from one nail to another one. I hope you understand what I do mean. So just try to draw thin lines because thin one look better, and as this one is glow in the dark shade, it's gonna look really good when you're gonna check your nails in dark, because they actually glow in dark. Next thing I'm gonna do is to use Shana stickers. So these I ordered again from AliExpress. I will share in a haul previously, and if you want to check it out, I will leave the link in the description box in that section of the AliExpress haul where I share the link. So from these, I'm using the clear one. I mean, I'm not using the one with the black background, but just the golden one, and I think the golden gonna look good on orange one. And I'm just gonna place it where the corner is created with the tanager turquoise and with the directory blue, because it's just gonna look good on that side, and on the other side just gonna look something not part of the nail art. So on the other nail, instead of applying the shine stick, I'm just using this chain with the needle box, you can say padlock, you can say. And again, I'm gonna place it where the two lines cross with the tangent turquoise and the dark dark blue crochet. So when you put them together, this is how they're gonna look like. And I'm gonna use these rhinestones that came within the kit, Modelones X Pantone. So what I'm gonna do now, I already applied the glossy top coat underneath. I'm just gonna put the rhinestones over there. So I'm gonna put the white one first, the white one or yellowish one, you can say. Then I'm gonna put the pink one, and then I'm gonna put the yellowish one again. So I'm just going to repeat the same pattern on the nail, and this is how does this look like. They are super glossy. So here I used Modelones glossy top coat, and this is how does this look like, and this is how does the thumb look like. So I hope you like this mini tutorial, and I will see you in next video. Bye.